Have you forgotten your Snapchat username or password on iPhone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can recover your Snapchat username or password on your iPhone without a phone number or email. So let's get started. To recover your Snapchat username or password, you need to open the Google Chrome browser. Tap Profile. Tap Manage your Google account. Swipe to Security. Scroll down. Tap Password Manager. Find out your Snapchat account. Select it from here. Enter your Google account password. Now this will reveal your Snapchat username and password. Now you can copy that and you can paste it here to log into your Snapchat account. Often you might save your password on your iPhone. Therefore you can open Settings, scroll down, tap Password, tap on Entering Face ID. Now this can also hold your account information. These are the two methods you can follow to find out or recover your Snapchat account on your iPhone. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.